This time we will start to simulate the exercise number 4, which is the ship's stern tube shafting installation and propellers. Before we start, I would like to tell you that this simulation cannot be found on the gas turbine. This can be found in the Engine Man B&W 5L90MC VLCC L11B. Just show you how to go to the simulator. So first, go to the simulators and then you choose this one. Okay. After clicking, usually just start a simulation. Click this one, and then simulation will load up and pop out. Okay, we will start. Just press F1 to start simulation.
You will have 35 minutes to fulfill the assessment.
We have 35 minutes to finish this assessment. We need to completely finish the 35 minutes time so that we will have a higher score. Open the guide, manual. We have 4 parts. We have operational planning, plant monitoring, plant efficiency, and rectification of faults. First, in operational planning, we have to switch on the stern tube lube oil pumps 1 and 2 on the main switchboard. Main switchboard starters, which is the number 71, MD71. Then stern tube lube oil pump number 1, stern tube lube oil pump number 2. And then open low temperature freshwater stern tube shut off valve in MD10 or the freshwater system. This is the low temperature freshwater servo stern tube shut off valve. Okay, just click to open this valve. And then next we have to normalize stern tube lube oil level at least 50% and operate the lube oil makeup pump. Just go to the stern tube system, MD54. You have to normalize all these 3 tanks. Oops, I forgot. Stern tube local cooling water inlet valve. We have to open this one also. Don't forget. Next, we have to start filling up this lube oil sump tank. To fill up this tank, we have to open the stern tube lube oil makeup pump. We'll just wait. It's better to put around 80%. But if this one is already at normal level, you can start transferring or starting this lube oil pump number 1 and lube oil pump number 2 to fill up this high gravity tank and low gravity tank. While waiting, I would like to tell you some additional knowledge. What is the purpose of high gravity tank and low gravity tank? The main purpose of high gravity tank and low gravity tank is that these tanks maintain the oil pressure slightly above the seawater pressure in such a way that high gravity tank maintains slightly high oil pressure in loaded condition and low gravity tank in ballast condition. Another important thing is that both tanks are used for sealing purposes only, for aft seal and not for forward seal. In forward seal, we have the small tank mounted on the forward shaft, which is this one. This is the aft seal, stern tube aft. And then it uses the high gravity tank and low gravity tank. Okay, in other words, high gravity tank is used during a loaded vessel or loaded ship, and low gravity tank for unloaded ship. As simple as that. Okay, while waiting, check also the system from the drain. Example, this one, oil sampling drain, this is open, we need to close this one. Then stern tube seal ring isolation valve, we have to open this one. Go back to freshwater system, check the system if everything is okay. By the way guys, this is a closed circuit system of cooling. We use fresh water. We have here the two freshwater coolers. Then we have this line here. This is where the seawater goes in and goes out. So the heat exchange happens in this freshwater coolers. Check. Draft is keel or draft, so even keel. Trim, .21 degrees. So it's just a very small trim degree. So now it's already at 43%. .46, 47. It's better to start this pump number 1 and number 2 if we have here around 70%, because the transfer rate of these two pumps is higher than this one. So what will happen is that during transferring, oil from this tank will be transferred to the high gravity tank, and then this lube oil sump tank will again becomes low. Then alarm will come again. It's better to have around 70 to 80%. On board, guys, during transferring anything, fuel oil, lube oil, always or constantly check pipeline, check the level, then compute if the level of some tank and the level from the source is the same. If it's less or more, maybe there is a problem. Maybe some drain is open, or maybe some leakage, a broken pipe. Always be vigilant. Extraordinary vigilance. Okay, 70%. We can start. Okay, we can start lube oil pump number 1, oil pump number 2. See, lube oil seawater differential pressure already at 2.41. After a few seconds, few minutes, in the real world, you should wait around 5 to 10 minutes and check everything first before putting to auto to avoid accidents or error or the pump shutting down. Put to auto. Then we will wait again around 70 to 80%. You see, we have here 70% before, now it's only 65%, due to the fact that the transfer rate of this lube oil pump number 1 and lube oil 2 combined are higher than the extension lube oil pump. %, and then it will stop. Just click this 3-way valve, change over to the low gravity tank. Okay, now we are filling up this low gravity tank. Don't forget to reset all alarms one by one. Double reset, 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 to make sure everything is reset. Sayang ang points. Okay, I'm gonna stop this pump. Next procedure, or the next part will be the plant monitoring. Stern tube lube oil pressure, differential pressure. Okay. Normal aft stern tube bearing temperature. Okay. Number 4 stern tube bearing temperature. Okay. Then we'll just continue to monitor until we finish the 35 minutes time. We should have no stern tube lube oil leakage and rectification of faults. Should all reset this one. Okay, we just need to wait. Okay guys, I think we will stop until here only. We still have around 15 minutes. I don't want to waste your time. I will just show you later the result of my simulation.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the 35 minutes is already fully consumed. As you can see, there are no alarms. Everything is okay. Okay, moment of truth. F3 exit. We will see the moment of truth.
A few moments later.
98.12%. I think this is better than my previous simulation for this one. I only got 78%. Now this is already 98.12%. Okay. Better than before. Check. Stern shoe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.